Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next worksheet of chapter 4. Firstly, we will revise the laws of exponent. First and second law we already done. Okay, now today next worksheet is based upon next two laws. Okay, third law is x raised to the power 0 equal to 1. Okay, something raised to the power 0 equals 1. And fourth law, if x raised to the power m is given and n is outside the bracket, means m and n both are multiplying. Okay, we can write this in this way: x raised to the power m into n, or after multiplication we can write it as m x raised to the power mn. Worksheet 4, question number 2. Simplify and express the result in exponential form. Here, this is given. See, here we can use fourth law of exponents. X raised to the power m bracket n, means we will multiply the parts. Okay, 9 upon 2 raised to the power 0 multiply 5. Whenever we multiply any number by 0, we will get 0. 9 upon 2 whole raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. This is on the basis of this third law. Something raised to the power 0 equals 1. Okay, this is your answer. Next is fourth part. Second, third you can do yourself. Try to do that questions yourself. This is given. Okay, here bases are same, parts are different. In case in between multiplication sign is given, we will use first law of exponent. We will add the powers. Clear? Minus 2 by 3 whole raised power 3 plus 2. We will add the powers. Whenever bases are same, in case of multiplication we will add the powers. Okay, now 5 will come. Again here we will use fourth law of exponent. Here you can write these laws. Okay, multiplying minus 2 by 5 whole raised to the power 20. Okay, this way you can do rest of the parts. Try to do that questions yourself. Third sum is evaluate. This is given. In between these exponents, division sign is there, bases are same, parts are different. In between them division sign is there. We will use second law of exponent, means we will subtract the parts. Okay, minus 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 3 minus 5. After solving we will get exponent minus 2. Then firstly we will find the reciprocal of this to make this power positive. Minus 3 by 4 whole raised to the power minus 2. Whenever we find the reciprocal, we already done this in previous worksheet. We will get 4 upon minus 3 whole raised to power 2. We write the expanded form of this. After multiplying we will get 16 upon 9. Here see the difference beta. In question number 2 it was asked express the result in exponential form. It means you will give your answer in exponential form, means you will not solve this, give your answer in this exponential form. And here evaluate, then you will solve, you will find the value of this. Otherwise you can leave your answer here or up to here, but it is asked to find or evaluate, or it can be asked find your answer result in the form of rational numbers. Then you have to solve this sum up to here. Clear? Now third part, I think you can do here same. Firstly you will use fourth law here, then division sign is there. After solving this you will subtract the parts, then you will find the expanded form, then multiply these two. I think these types of sums you already done in previous worksheets. You can do these sums now. Okay. Fifth part we are also going to do. See, in this way it is given 1 by 2 whole raised to power 5, 1 by 2 whole raised to power 3, and in between them division sign is there. It means we will use second law of exponent. We will subtract the parts here also. Okay, after solving we will get this answer. Now subtraction, sign of subtraction is given. There is no law of this kind. Then we will simplify these two. Okay, we will write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Firstly we will solve these two, then by taking LCM we will get the answer. Clear? In this way you can do other parts. Okay, and tomorrow I will send the solutions. In case of any difficulty you can match from there or you can call to me. Okay, thank you.